again. Gotta get my trick. Uh-oh, Daddy's sleeping. Abel, I can have a really good idea.
We need to try to old makeup.
And we can do his hair. Let's go get some makeup palettes. Alright guys, we have our palette. We gotta be quiet about it. And also, it's our cool idea. And we're gonna trick him. And look at these. So we gotta be really sneaky. No one will know. It was a super good idea. Let's go get him, guys. Oh. Good thing Daddy's a heavy sleeper. We gotta be extra quiet since he's wearing right next to him. And here's our colors. So we have peach, yellow, purple, pink, and a little orange, and some blue, and an elephant colored of it, and a little purple. Right, Abel? Yes. And we also have brown. What should we do first? Abel, what do you think we should do first? Should we do his eyeshadow?
Yes.
Yep.
Let's wake him up.
What a beautiful deck. Let's give him some blue. Abel, which color would you want the other eye to be?
I want it to be yellow. Yellow.
Let's paint his eyes. He's really pretty. Ooh, so
Pretty, Daddy. Let's wake him up.
we can't wake him up yet.
Why?
Yellow.
We'll see next time.
Alright, let's go on this eye. It's so hard to see when you're on this side. Careful.
And make sure look at these brushes.
Abel, make sure he doesn't grab you like a teddy bear. When he was asleep, he'd be like,
Oh,
no, he don't.
Wait, don't wake him up.
Ooh. And a little color on his eyebrows. Not actually doing it, that looks weird. And there. Abel, let's do his cheeks now.
Let's just wait here for him, okay?
Okay. So when he wakes up, he would be really. Oh no. Oh, good. Yeah, alright, got a lot of blush. Me and Abel are really good at makeup.
That's good makeup.
Hey, look at Daddy.
Maci, I like your makeup on me.
Oh no. Oh, you gotta be quiet or else you'll wake him up.
Now let's go close one.
Yeah, that's why I gotta be quiet. Right? The other side. He's so chubby, I can't even over him.
Yeah, but he'll be straight, okay?
Right?
Don't go that way. This way.
Right, Abel. It's time to do some glitter. Abel, what color glitter do you like?
Yellow.
So put the yellow on the eye part.
And blue for the blue. And blue for the blue, right?
Yep, and we let's do some light blue.
Okay. Not light blue. Not dark.
All right, Abel, we got some glitter.
Awesome.
And now it's time to do his lip gloss.
Oh, why is he so sleepy?
I have no idea, but he's sleeping, which is good. Abel, which color do you think we should do?
Try those
Half blue, half yellow.
let's do the white
Let's
one.
make him a half blue, half yellow look. So we'll give him.
Yeah, Maci, make green.
All right, I will make some green. I'll put some
Yellow. My yellow, blue, make green. Let's make some green.
We're putting it on. Right. Now I'm gonna do a little more lips.
I see much for his lights in. He's about to turn on his lights.
Don't turn his. Oh no! That was super close, guys. lights out to him in his sleep.
Or maybe not. Yeah, I don't think my truck is good enough.
Alright, let's do it. Let's do these other ones.
I can't get up there. I'm too big. I think he's too big to get up.
Shh, Abel, don't wake up. Don't wake him up. Yeah. You look so pretty.
Well, pretty, Daddy.
Alright, guys, before we wake him up, we have to put we gotta put his word. And me and Abel had a great idea, right, Abel?
Mm-hmm.
We were gonna put some color on his beard. Alright, guys, so here's our colors. We have purple, blue, red, orange, and pink. Shh. Yep, good job, Abel. So, comment down below what color you guys think we should use first. But what I'm going to use is the purple, blue, or purple. His beard. No, it's not really showing up, guys. Gotta work hard.
I don't think the pink might show up, right?
Alright, guys, we're almost done. Well, we're close to
So
the
I'll take them, okay?
Oh. Shh, shh, shh. Shh. Right here. Yep. Alright, guys, we did some purple and blue. So now we're going to try some red. If you can kind of see the blue, you can more see the purple because purple is a really dark color. And if it hurts, you might wake up. Comment down below if you guys think you would wake up while we do this. Alright guys, the finishing touch is a bow. So we're gonna put it in.
Wake him up.
We gotta wake him up, but later because we first gotta put his bow in. Alright guys, we have his hair bone. Hey, it's time to wake him up. Daddy, wake up! Daddy, wake up! We have something to show you in the mirror.
In the mirror?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Just something. Here's what we mean. Come on, get up. We have to show you something.
Alright.
We just got. We can show you.
I'm asleep.
Well, Daddy, we just gotta show you something.
Okay.
And here, Daddy.
In where?
Daddy,
In there?
close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Right, that's what I'm.
I was trying to sleep.
And open your eyes.
What?
Open your eyes. We think your hair and makeup.
Oh man. I'm so glittery.
That's funny, Dad.
You did my hair. Oh, you got a bow in my hair.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Daddy.
Do I look pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, let's put my dad in one of my mom's dress.
Definitely not.
There you go, Dad. You're doing too.
Thanks, guys.
It's another video. Hey Dad, we have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your favorite thing about your makeup?
Oh, probably my eyes. What you think?
I like the glitter that's on your lips.
The glitter. Abel, what's the best part about my makeup?
Chicken legs. Daddy. Daddy. You want to know whose idea this was?
Whose? Yours?
Yes.
And mine too.
Oh man. I'm gonna have to lock the doors when I sleep now.
But you sleep on the couch.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.